welcome to another Kids Crafts episode. Today I am super excited for a project. We're going to be making rainbows. Okay, so since we're going to be making a super pretty rainbow today, we thought we'd talk a little bit about weather, and I think there's a part with the rainbow in this. Just kidding, there is. Let's check it out. This book is called Tap Tap Boom Boom by Elizabeth Bumley. If you'd like this book, you can see if you can find it in your library. Tap, tap, dark clouds. Tap, tap, damp air. Tap, tap, cold drops of rain dot hair. Street carts appear. Umbrellas here. Tap, 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 tap. Boom, boom. Tap, 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 tap. Boom, boom. Crackle, boom. Got a storm, big storm in bloom here soon. Sky grumbles, rain tumbles, big weather, you'd better get under umbrella. Boom, boom. That's right, slam, bang. Hold tight to umbrella. Wind whirls, helter-skelter, boom, boom. Tap, 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 slap feet, shoes flap. Feet wetter, you'd better go down underground where the water can't get ya, you betcha. Now harder, now faster, big rain, side blaster. The subway is shelter, boom, boom. Downstairs we wait, folks congregate. We squeeze, whose feet and knees are these? Hey, hey, watch spray, we get more wet. Tap, 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 boom, boom. Big, big fellow with tiny umbrella. It's yellow. Tap, tap, boom, boom. One girl all fancy she's late for dancing. Can't wait, fash dash after lightning flash. The storm above makes friends of strangers. We laugh under cover at thunder and danger. Tall lady with poodle sees kid, no umbrella, hands hers, no words, just a smile as her hello. Two friends descend, huddled close from weather. What sides, smiles wide, together is better. All right, now remember, we're supposed to be watching to see if we can spot a rainbow. Storm ending soon, no tap, no boom. Outside, clear light, bright afternoon. We race upstairs, shake drops off hair. Look up, we cry. Surprise in sky. Can you see the rainbow? Now people scatter, through puddles splatter. We wave goodbye. So long, keep dry. till the next tap, 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 boom, boom, till the next tap, tap, boom, boom. It's Crafts episode. Today I am super excited for a project. We're going to be making rainbows. So before we get started, let's make sure that we have the materials we need, okay? You're gonna need your half of a paper plate. Right now it's white. You're going to need 2 clouds, and you will need ribbon. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors, okay? So make sure you have 7 colors of ribbon. They might not be exactly the same as mine, and that's totally okay. So go ahead and count really quick, and then we'll get started. A fun story, wasn't it? So before, just double check you have everything. You're also going to need your glue dots. And if you have the basic kit, if you want to grab your glitter glue, or if you have some stickers, or maybe some crayons or markers, you get to decorate this how you want. Remember, that's the fun of doing projects like this, is you can make it how you want it. So first things first, we need to decide how we want to line up our colors on the rainbow. What do you guys think? How are you gonna line yours up? Okay, that sounds cool. So go ahead and pick your first color. I'm gonna randomly pick one. I'm gonna close my eyes, and I picked purple. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. You want to take your purple ribbon and you're going to fold it in half. So what you do, how to fold it in half, is you take your finger and you put the middle of your ribbon on your finger. And then you pull down like this and you see, oh, okay, those are the same length. All right, now what we're going to do, you want to keep a loop at the top. You're going to take your loop and you're going to put it through the first hole in your rainbow, okay? You're gonna put it through the hole like this. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the loop part, you're gonna pull it around the front like this. Woo! Okay, so you're gonna put it front to back. You're gonna take the loop, pull it back around to the front like this, and then you're gonna tie a knot. So I'm gonna put mine down to tie a knot. That's a little bit easier for me. So to do a knot, you're gonna take the loop, okay, like this. You're gonna cross the loop over your dangly part, okay? So it should look like this. And then you're going to take the loop and put it under the hole that you just made. Again, I'm gonna put mine down because that's a lot easier for me to tie a knot. Okay, cool. Now we have a tie, okay? That's the first part of our knot. Now we're gonna take our loop again, have our loop, and we're going to, again, put it over the dangly part. So we have it like this, okay? And then we're gonna pull our loop through the hole. And ta-da! You've got a knot. And see how fun that is when it dangles down? It is so cool. So you're gonna do this exact same thing for all of the other colors. Again, you can pick the order that you want to put them in. It doesn't have to be exactly the same as mine. So let's do a quick speed up and we'll put all of our ribbons on. All right, you guys, great work. Let me see, show me your rainbow. Hold yours up. I wanna see, this is mine. So I start with purple. I have green, orange, gold is my yellow for this one. I love gold. And then we have pink, blue, and red. And again, it's totally okay if yours aren't the exact same. Remember, art and crafting is about expressing what's important to you. So if your colors are different, totally okay. All right, this looks pretty good. I'm loving all these colors, but I think we can add a little bit more. So let's next grab our 2 cloud templates, okay? So these are gonna be put on the end of our rainbow, like that. We need a cute little end of our rainbow. And if you wanna add a little extra flair, you can add some smiley faces on. So let's go ahead and grab a pen. Or you can grab a marker, crayons, whatever you have on hand. Again, you don't have to draw a face on your clouds if you don't want to, but I'm going to. I'm going to draw a little smiley face. So I'm going to draw a little happy face. Looks like it's sleeping. I'm going to make another one up for the other side too. All right, here's my other cloud. Okay, so once you have your clouds drawn, we're gonna grab our glue dots. They're super important. We're gonna grab our glue dots and we're gonna put one right in the middle. Okay, so we're gonna put one right in the middle on the back. I'm gonna make sure it doesn't have any sticky backing. And then we're gonna take our rainbow and we're gonna put our cloud right at the end of our rainbow. See? I'm going to do it with the other one as well. And I can't wait to see. I hope you guys share. Remember, you can go onto our Instagram and share your creations. We would love to see them. I will put a link down in the description below of our Instagram page. So go ahead and tag us in it and we would love to see what you guys came up with. All right. I'm going to take my other one, plop it on. Just press a little bit so we make sure our cloud stays on. And there we have it. Now, if you guys want to decorate the top part of your rainbow, that would be so cool. I'm going to decorate mine and I'll show you guys the finished product because I don't think you want to see me coloring forever. But you can add glitter glue, you can add stickers, markers, crayons, really whatever you want. But then we have this beautiful little rainbow to help us remember the cool stuff we learned, right? All right, guys, thanks for joining us. See you next time.